iOS 18.1 and iOS 18.2 added multiple Apple Intelligence features like Image Playground, Genmoji, writing tools, and more, but there are still new Apple Intelligence capabilities that users are waiting for. Apple has at least one more major Apple Intelligence update coming in 2025. GadInsider has compiled a lineup of 5 Apple Intelligence features expected to come in 2025. Priority notifications. Notification summaries are already offered on devices that support Apple Intelligence, but in a future version of iOS 18, Apple Intelligence will have priority notifications, allowing you to see what's important first while filtering out things that don't matter as much. New Siri features. In 2025, Siri is likely to receive support for personal contacts, on-screen awareness, and deeper app integration. Personal contacts will allow Siri to keep track of everything on your device, such as text messages, emails, files, and photos, so Siri can help you find anything you're looking for. With on-screen awareness, Siri will know what you're seeing on your device and will be able to complete actions. Moreover, Siri is said to be able to do a lot more in apps and between apps, which is likely going to make the biggest challenge in Siri's ability to get things done. Genmoji on Mac OS. Apple integrated Genmoji into the iPhone and the iPad with the launch of iOS 18.2 and iPad OS 18.2, but it wasn't included in the Mac and Mac OS Sequoia 15.2. Genmoji is in the Mac OS Sequoia 15.3 update that Apple is beta testing, and that update is rumored in January 2025. Memory movies for Mac OS. In addition, Macs are missing the Memory Movies feature that's developed to allow you to create a slideshow from your photos and videos using just a text description. Currently, making a Memory Movie is limited to the iPhone and iPad, but Apple does plan to add it to the Mac too. Users can easily create a custom Memory Movie by going to the Memory section in the Photos app, tapping on Create, and then typing in the description of the movie that they want to view. Apple Intelligence in more languages within additional countries. Apple is planning to integrate support for languages beyond English in 2025, including Chinese, India English, Singapore English, French, German, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, Spanish, and Vietnamese. iOS 18.3 will reportedly view a launch in late January, and then we'll get the iOS 18.4 beta.